Hi everyone, so we're making a small experiment to find out how well Extron made HDMI cables can do to transmit a signal, video signal from a laptop to the large display, so a NEC made display. So can you please connect? So let's see, so the signal is detected, HDMI, so full HD, 60 Hz. So what we've got here is a 10.6 meter cable. It's connected to 15.2 meter cable. This one in its turn is connected to another 10.6 meter cable. Then it goes to 7.6 meter cable. Then it goes to 15.2 meter cable. In its turn it goes to a small HDMI amplifier, Chinese made. I don't know how much I paid for it on eBay. I think it was under 10 bucks. Then it goes to another 10.6 meter HDMI cable made by Extron. And let me see if I can show you. So it goes to HDMI port, input port of NEC display. So just to make sure we're transmitting the signal from this laptop. Let me check. Let me duplicate. Now of course the resolution will go down. No, it's still showing actually full HD. It's still showing the full HD. So now I disconnect. So it's disconnected. So overall it made 69.8 meters of cable and only one small HDMI equalizer, amplifier, whatever you like. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.